Remember when training and software demos felt like this? Why wait minutes when you can launch virtual training labs in mere seconds? Welcome to the future with Appsembler Virtual IT Labs. No more clunky installations. No more wasted time. With Appsembler, all you need is a browser. Click and go. Learn by doing. Engage and master subjects with real, practical, hands-on training environments. No more stale screenshots. From onboarding to post-sales training and even developer code testing, virtual training labs cover it all. Take InterSystems, a big data company. They now let leads try their software before buying, thanks to Appsembler. And they've revolutionized their internal training with immersive, individualized environments. Or Dremio. With Virtual Labs, they created the amazing Dremio University. Not just for training, but for lead generation too. And guess what? They have been able to reduce their sales cycle from 90 days to 30 days. From big corporations to startups, the future of hands-on software experiences is here. Join the movement. Captivate, engage, achieve with Appsembler. Why wait for the future when it's here today? Try Appsembler now.